The top one? The green one?
Yes. BMSTV says, love watching you guys. I was told to wait to buy Alder Lake. He asked whether he should wait or whether he should buy. And I said, well, use the link in the video description. He wants to edit videos. So he said...
He wants to edit videos? Mm-hmm. There's a lovely Ryzen 9 5950X build list.
He has a $3,000 budget.
Today's video was brought to you by eWin Racing, the best source for gaming chairs and desks for those long gaming sessions. We have a playlist of our eWin chair and desk videos linked in the video description below. Save 30% off of everything using the discount code TECHDEALS. More details at the end of the video.
You know what? Okay. Here's what I would do. If you have a $3,000 budget, I would keep the 5950X because that's the one part of your machine you can't change.
And editing videos, you'll appreciate that.
You could compromise on this and go to the B550 I have linked down below. In fact, see what happens if we change this. Let's start off with a $3,000 budget. So $750 for the CPU. That leaves us with $2,250. We'll do $200 for the motherboard. The B550 link down below, that takes us down to $2,250. If you're video editing, come on, you need 64 gigs of RAM. So $255. You could compromise the SSD. There's a 2 terabyte decent SSD down there for $200.
Well, he's gonna need some storage. He's gonna need.
Well, storage is a completely separate issue. If he doesn't have storage or he doesn't have money for storage, then he doesn't have. I can't help you there. I mean, you need hard drives, you need SSDs, you need scratch space, but let's say we do $200 on a cheaper 2 terabyte NVMe drive. Power supply, you know, we're going to have to take the video card down, so you could take the power supply down to an 850 watt for 110. So we'll do a $110 power supply. Don't go the 750, do an 850. What else? The case, I would still get that case. Don't get I like the Meshify C, but not for a Ryzen 9. It's the wrong case for that. The cooler, you know, you could, instead of getting that cooler, you could get an Octua NHT15, or you could get, you know what? I would still buy that cooler. I mean, you're kind of getting what you're paying for. If you went to an NHT15, it'd be 110. That leaves him with $1,200 for a video card. RTX 3070 Ti. If you're video editing, you buy NVIDIA. Adobe, it all works with NVIDIA better. NVNC, there's $1,200 and $1,200. We'll buy you a 3070 Ti, and that's
There you go. There's your build.
That's your build.
And the question is, do you need it now or can you wait? If you can wait, wait.
There isn't anything else to... You know, you could save $200 by going to a Ryzen 9 5900X with 12 cores. What do you put what do you do with the $200? Buy another SSD, I suppose? You could get a cheaper case. I mean, you don't need all that to edit videos. You could edit videos on less. You can edit videos on a laptop.
Well, and there's the other question. Are you earning money with it? Is it a hobby?
I mean, honey, that will edit the $2,000.
That's what I told him. And he goes, but someone said to wait. I said, well, wait. But then you've got all the problems with Alder Lake. If you want to put up with that, do that. If you don't...
If you want to edit videos, the change is I would swap out the 6700 XT and I would spend the extra money for a 3070 Ti. NVIDIA's NVE and scene encoder is better than AMD's, and it is more widely supported in applications. I just wouldn't mess around with your video card. So I would do that. I would upgrade the RAM to 64. There's nothing wrong with that build.
Nope.
eWin Racing has a wide selection of chairs to fit all shapes and sizes of gamers, ranging from petite to cuddly. They have something for every type of gamer. Not just sizes, but colors and material options as well, including red, blue, purple, pink, orange, and more, plus cloth and leather choices. We have over half a dozen chair and desk videos in a playlist down in the video description below. We also have a very special offer just for Tech Deals viewers. Save 30% off of everything using discount code TechDeals using our link in the video description. We have used eWin gaming chairs for 3 years in our office, sitting on them for up to 8-hour marathon live streams. They are very comfortable, and we are happy to work with eWin to bring you this special discount and recommend eWin for all of your gaming chair and desk needs.